If you've been wondering how to give your HubSpot blog a personal touch, maybe update the layout, change some colors, or just make it better fit your brand, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through editing a blog template using the Design Manager inside HubSpot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to navigate the HubSpot interface, access your blog's template, and confidently make design changes that help your content shine. Let's jump right in. First, open up your HubSpot dashboard. What you want to do is head over to the Content area. Think of this as your one-stop shop for all things related to your website's material, from web pages to landing pages, and of course, your blog. Clicking on Content gets you closer to where all your published blog posts, drafts, and settings live. Once you're in Content, zero in on Blog. You'll see this option in the menu. Go ahead and click it. Now, you might have more than one blog in your HubSpot account. Maybe you run a company blog and a resource center separately. Take a moment to select the specific blog you want to tweak today. This ensures every change you make is happening on the right site, and you won't accidentally mess up another blog's layout. With your blog selected, look for the Settings option. It sometimes takes a moment to find if you're new to the platform. Just remember, settings are typically where you manage background preferences, SEO, and design choices. Clicking into Settings gives you control over how your blog behaves and looks, which is exactly what we want. Inside the settings, there's an important section labeled Template. This is where HubSpot keeps the key to your blog's visual structure. A template is like the bones of your blog, controlling the header, the sidebar, how posts are arranged. You can think of it as the architectural blueprint for every page your blog publishes. Click on Template, and you'll see an option to edit the template. Go ahead and click that button. Now, things start to get exciting. When you click Edit the Template, you'll be guided directly into HubSpot's Design Manager. This is like stepping behind the scenes into your blog's control room. Don't worry if this part seems a bit technical at first. The interface is pretty friendly once you get your bearings. The Design Manager lets you make edits visually, much like rearranging furniture in a room. You can move modules around, update styles, and adjust layouts until your template matches how you imagine your blog should look. Take your time here. Maybe you want to swap out a hero image, or perhaps adjust the font for your post titles. Think about what would make your reader's experience smoother. As you make changes, HubSpot often lets you preview what your blog will look like on desktop or mobile, so you can double-check everything is appearing just right. And remember, if you make a mistake or don't love how something looks, you can always undo it or revert back. HubSpot saves your progress, so there's no need to rush. Once you're happy with your edits, be sure to save your changes in Design Manager. That way, the new template is live and your audience will instantly benefit from your hard work. And that's it. You've just learned how to access and edit a blog template in HubSpot's Design Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions or want more tips, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll get more hands-on tutorials and expert advice to keep your blog looking its best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.